happy I am. You have been seen before now, but not in my home. So this one is special to me. Thank you so much. In my culture, I'm supposed to present kola. There's how things happen and it will start, but this was supposed to be the first thing. So I am in recognition of every person, everybody that is here, presenting the kola to you, Obio. Yes.
This video has been trending since yesterday, especially on X, formerly known as Twitter, and it's all about one of the youngest Igbo billionaires, Ituma Chukwuemeka, popularly known as Enviable. This man right here is a close friend and business partner of Obi Kubana. Honestly, I had no idea he had such a stunning mansion in Abia State. Who else is just finding this out? Let's know in the comments. And guess what? Davido actually stopped by his Abia residence during his visits. Talk about a powerful connection. He made sure to make this very important stop before he attends to his business in Abia State. Immediately, Davido arrived in Umuahia for the birthday celebration of media mogul Don Lulu, a.k.a. Lucky Igbokwe. He decided to make a quick but very powerful stop to greet none other than our very own Ebonyi State billionaire, Ituma Chukwuemeka. Davido and his crew were received in true southeastern style. They were offered the traditional kola nut and wait for it, a humble handshake of $10,000 cash, just for being a guest at his home.
So much happy that touching down in Umuahia, the first place we are touching down is my home. I'm very much happy. I don't know how I could express how happy I am. You have been seen before now, but not in my home. So this one is special to me. Thank you so much. In my culture, I'm supposed to present kola. There's how things happen and it will start, but this was supposed to be the first thing. So I am in recognition of every person, everybody that is here, presenting the kola to you, Obio. Yes, sir. And your crew members.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. All I don't see kola na abi. Yes, sir. Cha Igbokwe. Hey. Hola, brothers. Welcome, huh?
Now, of course, Davido was in Abia for the big birthday bash of Don Lulu, a man who wears many crowns. Don Lulu is the chairman of Two Flame Media, the brain behind Kedu TV in the US, and CEO of ventures like Lucian Towers Construction, Greenpeace Nigeria, and the Don Lulu Foundation. The guy is not just a businessman, he's an institution on his own. Oh, and let's not forget, he also contested in the last Abia State PDP governorship primaries, and he became second. Respect. Now back to Itsuma Chukwuemeka Enviable. My people, this man is doing us proud. He did not just build a stunning residence in Abia State, he also opened the Ebonyi State mansion just last year, December. Whether he's in Ebonyi or Umuahia, one thing is very clear: class follows him everywhere. The way he honored Davido and his crew shows the true Igbo spirit, respect, hospitality, and generosity. At some point, people in the comment section were asking, who truly is the billionaire? I mean, who truly is the owner of this mansion? Because his simplicity and his humility says it all. Most people in the comment section never knew Itsuma was the true billionaire and the owner of this mansion, because they were actually mistaking him for the houseboy who was busy serving kola here and there. Anyway, big shout out to Enviable for representing Ebonyi State and the entire Igbo in style, and to Davido for always showing love to the East. This is Ebonyi People TV. We'll see you in the next video.
Enviable, huh?